Is acupuncture FDA approved? If you're curious about whether acupuncture has the seal of approval from the FDA, let's break it down step by step. First, it's important to understand what the FDA actually approves. When it comes to medical devices, the FDA focuses on safety rather than efficacy. This means they ensure that the devices are safe to use, but they don't necessarily verify if the device provides any medical benefits. In the case of acupuncture, the FDA has approved acupuncture needles themselves, but not the practice of acupuncture. Since 1996, acupuncture needles have been classified as Class Roman II medical devices. This classification means the needles must be sterile, non-toxic, labeled as single-use, and used appropriately by licensed practitioners. So, what does this approval really mean? It means the needles are safe to puncture the skin when used correctly, but it does not imply that using these needles for acupuncture has any therapeutic benefits. The FDA's approval is more about ensuring the needles won't harm you when used as intended, rather than confirming that acupuncture works as a treatment. There's also been some confusion because the FDA has proposed guidelines encouraging doctors to learn about acupuncture as part of a multidisciplinary approach to pain management, especially to reduce the use of opioid medications. However, this does not mean the FDA has endorsed acupuncture as an effective treatment. Instead, it's about considering alternative therapies that might help patients avoid opioids. In summary, while acupuncture needles are FDA approved as safe medical devices, the practice of acupuncture itself is not approved or endorsed by the FDA as a therapeutic treatment. The safety approval is limited to the physical properties and safe use of the needles, not the effectiveness of acupuncture as a medical treatment.